20 woodworking tools that just hit Amazon. Some are hidden gems under 20 bucks. Others are going to make your most frustrating shop jobs disappear. Let's count them down. Number 1 just changed how I think about joinery, and it's fully cordless. Subscribe if you don't want to miss it. Drop a comment. What's the one tool in your shop you can't live without? Number 20, the Saker 3D Multi-Angle Measuring Ruler, $20. This isn't a standard square. It locks at any angle between 0 and 90 degrees and scribes a matching hole or cutout in the same motion. Press it, set it, mark it. One tool that replaces 3. 20 bucks. Number 19, the Milescraft DrillMate, $50. Drilling a straight hole sounds easy until you're looking at a row of screws that all lean the same wrong direction. The DrillMate self-centers, locks your bit at a dead 90 degrees, and stops drift, even on curved surfaces. Your holes finally go where you aimed. Number 18, the FastCap SoloKit, $24. 2 seconds to apply, 2 seconds to bond. CA glue and activator that fits in your apron pocket. It won't replace your clamp up, but for fixing a chip, locking a jig, or holding a workpiece still while the real glue dries, nothing is faster. Number 17, the General Tools Pinless Moisture Meter, $50. Wet wood warps panels, opens glue joints, and ruins finishes. After you've already committed. Press this to any board and get a reading in under a second. No pins, no holes. $50 to stop building with wood that isn't ready. Number 16, the Saker Contour Gauge, $20. Scribing against the baseboard, curved wall, or irregular edge used to mean cardboard templates and bad attempts. Press this to any profile and it copies it in one motion. Transfer straight to your workpiece and cut. 20 bucks and you'll use it constantly. Number 15, the Wen Oscillating Spindle Sander, $122. Curved cuts need curved sanding, and nothing handles that cleanly with a flat pad. The Wen mounts 6 different spindle sleeves, oscillates up and down while spinning to prevent burning, and tilts 45 degrees for angled work. $122 to actually finish the pieces you've been putting off. Number 14, the Oneida Dust Deputy Deluxe, $150. Your shop vac fills in 20 minutes during a sanding session, and the fine dust that makes it through the filter ends up in your lungs. The Dust Deputy intercepts 99% of debris before it ever reaches the vac. Filter lasts longer. Suction stays strong. The air actually clears. Number 13, the Milescraft Signcrafter, $65. A router template system that cuts professional lettering and design shapes directly into wood. Pick your letters, set the guides, route the path. The template handles the curves. Signs, plaques, personalized boards. It's the kind of tool that turns a scrap piece of oak into something someone wants to hang on their wall. $65. Number 12, the JessEm Rout-R-Lift 3.5 XT, $200. A Rout-R-Lift replaces your router table's base plate and lets you make precise height adjustments from above the table. No reaching underneath, no unlocking the base. Fractions of a millimeter controlled with a crank. If you run a router table at all, this is the single upgrade that changes every operation. $200. Number 11, the Work Sharp Ken Onion Edition, $250. Dull tools don't just slow you down. They make every chisel push unpredictable. Variable speed abrasive belts with guided angle arms take a chisel from rough bevel to mirror edge in under 2 minutes. Knives, plane irons, scissors, all on the same machine. $250 to put a real working edge on the whole shop. Still with me? Good. The next 10 are the ones woodworkers actually argue about. Here's number 10. Number 10, the Milescraft HingeMate350, $50. Freehand hinge mortising means uneven depth, a door that binds or never closes flush. The HingeMate350 uses a router to cut an exact recess every time. Same depth, clean walls. I've hung doors both ways. This one landed flush on the first pass. $50 to stop dreading it. Number 9. The Taytools Solid Brass Wheel Marking Gauge, $45. Cheap marking gauges drag a pin and tear grain instead of slicing it. The Taytools wheel rolls cleanly across any wood, scores a crisp, fiber-clean line at consistent depth every pass. Solid brass, heavy enough to hold its setting under real use. $45 for a layout tool that performs well above its price. Number 8. The DeWalt 20V Max Orbital Sander, $105, tool only. Variable speed, low vibration, and a hook and loop pad that actually holds the paper. I ran it through 3 grits on a curly maple panel and it didn't load up once. Runs on 20V max batteries you probably already own. $105 to stop fighting your sander. Number 7. The Kreg Pocket-Hole Jig, $129. The fastest way to build face frames, cabinet boxes, and furniture carcasses. And the 720 Pro makes it faster. One adjustment dials in material thickness. The auto-adjust clamp locks without resetting between pieces. One pull of the lever and it's set. No test cuts, no wasted material. Number 6. The Dremel Blueprint Portable Saw Station, $129. A 12V brushless compact saw in a folding cutting station. Rip cuts, cross cuts, and bevels on a platform that sets up in seconds and packs flat. Quiet enough for the garage, accurate enough for finish work. $129 for a small part station that goes wherever you do. That's the first 15. If anything on this list is worth your time, hit the like. It helps other woodworkers find it. Now the top 5. These are the ones I'd actually spend the money on. Number 5. The Incra Special Edition Miter Gauge, $165. The miter gauge your table saw came with is its least accurate component. The Miter 1000 SE replaces it with a telescoping fence that locks at over 50 calibrated positive stops, supports Y panels, and a dual flip shop stop for dead repeatable cuts. Every miter and cross-cut accurate to a fraction of a degree. $165 to finally trust your table saw. Number 4. The Bosch 18V Brushless Connected Jigsaw, $229, bare tool. The barrel grip puts your hand directly behind the blade instead of above it. Tighter control on curves, cleaner inside cuts, less wander. Up to 3,800 strokes per minute, variable speed, LED work light, tool-free blade change, and app connection for material-specific speed profiles. $229 for a jigsaw that belongs in a serious shop. Number 3. The DeWalt Extreme 12V Max 5-in-1 Drill Driver Kit, $230. 5 head attachments: drill driver, impact driver, right angle drill, offset driver, bit extension. All on the same compact 12V body. Gets into spaces your full-size drill can't touch and switches in seconds. Cabinet installation, stair work, tight corner assembly, without swapping between 3 separate tools. Full kit with battery included. Number 2. The Bosch Pro Factor 18V Track Saw, $549 bare tool. 18V brushless motor, plunge action, and compatible with Bosch track rails for zero tear-out cuts on sheet goods and solid lumber. The anti-splinter guard keeps veneer faces clean through the full cut. Breaking down a full sheet of plywood in your driveway, in a straight line without a table saw? This is the tool for that. $549. 19 down. If you've been thinking about that comment since the intro, hold off. Number 1 is about to change your answer. Number 1 is the Kreg Rebel, $349. Here's why this wins. First, it drills and clamps in a single trigger pull. One motion, the bit drives in and the clamp locks simultaneously. No separate drill, no jig to reset. Second, it reads material thickness automatically and adjusts depth accordingly. 1/2-inch plywood to 1.5-inch hardwood, it sets itself. Same angle and depth, every joint, every time. Third, it's not a jig upgrade, it's a different category entirely. Every pocket hole jig before this required 2 tools and 2 hands. The Rebel requires 1 trigger. $349. Which one's going in your shop? Comment below. I read every answer. All 20 links are in the description in order. Subscribe for the next list. And remember, the best tool is the one you actually use. See you there.